Hello and welcome back to Love Advice TV. My name is Coach Adrian and I thank you for tuning in to Love Advice TV. We provide tips, tools, guidance, and advice to people all over the world in order for you to be in a happy, stable, sustainable relationship. Alongside my partner, Coach Natalie and Coach Alex, we have dedicated our lives to help educate people on how to be in healthy relationships and how to be the best version of you so that your relationship can be the type of relationship that you've always dreamt of being in. And that is the topic of today's video. I was recently coaching an individual who asked me a question that really touched my heart. This individual reached out to me asking how to make their relationship strong. And I was really touched by that because very often we work with people who are coming out of relationship to help them heal, to help them grow, to help them bounce back. And when someone is proactive in ensuring that they stay in strong, fulfilling relationships, it really warms my heart. And I have two advice for you today if you want to be in a strong relationship. Number one, don't live exclusively for your significant other. You need to be able to stand on your own 2 feet and to not depend on your significant other to be happy. It's very difficult to find the right balance between not being too needy and not being too distant, but that should be your goal. I've seen so many relationships over the years fall apart because people started to neglect themselves, their true passions and who they are along the way. And I don't want you to make that mistake. Don't ever forget who you were prior to meeting your significant other. Don't ever forget what your passions are, what your hobbies are, how you want to move and change the world, what is important to you. And it's not about neglecting your partner and falling into the other extreme, because that doesn't work as well. But it's about not waiting for them to be happy, not expecting them to make you happy, because it is not your partner's responsibility to make you happy. You build strong relationships by both being strong individuals and not depending on each other for happiness. You need to be able to be strong enough to be there for your partner in times of need. And they need to be balanced enough and to have enough different things going for them in their different lives, in their social life, in their professional life, and in their, personal life, to be there for you when you're going to be at a low point in your day-to-day. And so I really urge you to challenge yourself to continually seek to find balance in your different lives and to push yourself to be happy independently of your significant other. That is number one. Number two, it's about communicating effectively with your significant other in order to ensure that your relationship stays strong. Don't just wait for things to completely fall apart to voice your concerns to your significant other. You have to be able to not only speak out on things that you may be struggling with, whether it's with intimacy or socially or professionally, or with your kids. But at the same time, you need to develop a sense of awareness to also help your partner when things are not going well for them. You need to be able to inquire continuously each and every day as to how they're doing, and with projects at work, with challenges that they face in their day-to-day. If you're not aware of your partner's mood swings and how they feel, if you're not reminding yourself daily to check in and to communicate, things will fall apart. You will push them away, or you will live two separate lives. And before you know it, your relationship has fallen apart. A relationship is just like a garden, and you need to nurture it every day. But you need to do so by first and foremost taking care of yourself and making sure that you are in a good place, that you are steady, and not just depending on your partner to make you happy. And at the same time, by making sure that you are there for your significant other, that you are there to watch out over them and to communicate with them, not just when things are not going well, but also when things are going well, at each and every day. And if you focus on doing these two things in your everyday life, if you push yourself in this way, your relationship will stay strong over the years, and you will be able to overcome tests and adversity along the way as a unit. We are Love Advice TV. I am Coach Adrian, and if you have questions about how to strengthen your relationship, by all means, please leave your thoughts, concerns, and questions in the comment section below, and it will be my pleasure to help and to provide you with answers. As always, keep fighting the good fight, and see you soon for another video.